Hello friends, are you suffering from baldness and considering various options to get rid of it? Is hair transplant one of the options which you are considering? If the answer is yes, you need to see this. Do you know what is the most important component of natural hair transplant which makes it that good and makes it look so natural? Yes, the answer is hairline. Hairline is the thing which separates or differentiates a natural hair transplant from a wig. Hairline is the single most important and artistic thing which can really make your transplant look awesome. I am sure you must have been considering hairline too, but many a times we are in such a hurry that we ignore very important facts which are critical for your hair transplant to come out good. So look at these pictures. You must have seen in your day-to-day life many people with something very abnormal on their scalp. So these things usually catch eye, and when you see, they don't look natural and it seems as if something has been done on them. So if you take a careful look, see, they all look more or less similar, as if somebody has drawn the lines with stencils. Some of them are too low, some of them are too straight, so patterned that they look unnatural. And you know what? These people have to hide it. They become very conscious about it. They keep on hiding these kind of hairlines and they are not happy. So this is not what you expect out of a real good hair transplant. So what is the solution? Solution is hair. That is, mimic nature hairline which we give you. This is an awesome method of creating hairline which makes it look so natural, so close to natural, that the patient will be right in front of you sitting, or you are very close to the person and you don't ever recognize that this guy has got a transplant done. The hair looks so natural. So what's the trick?
Look at these patients. The hairline has been customized according to their age, personality, availability of donor, and facial structure. Don't they look amazing? Another fact which is important to notice, these images are high definition images where you can clearly see the hairline and the artwork involved.
In natural hair transplant, we have to consider a lot of factors for the hairline to come out good and natural. When I create a hairline, I always consider patient's age, personality, availability of donor area, and other factors. So these are important. The hairline has to be individualized according to your need. I can't create same hairline for everybody. According to your need, the hairline needs to be created, and that's very important. So we give you a customized hairline which suits your need, your individual needs, and that is why it looks best on you. And no hairline is ever repeated at Satya.
Now see this patient. This is before transplant, and look at him after transplant. What a transformation. But if I tell you that both the images have been taken at the same time, in the second image, this patient is just hiding his bad hairline with the surrounding hair, and it seems as if it's a great transplant. So if you don't pay attention to the hairline, things can be manipulated very easily.
So how can you ensure that the clinic which is going to operate you is actually going to give you a good hairline? Because in before after images, most of the times hairlines are not shown. So in such cases, if you take a careful look, you will find that the hairline is not visible, the quality of images is not good, and most of the times the after images they are hiding the hairline. So if they are hiding the hairline in the patients which they have done, you will also have to hide your hairline once you get it done. So make sure that the images are of high definition and hairline is clearly visible. Another way of ensuring that you get a good hairline is combing videos.
Now have a look at the hairline video. Even in combing video, you can't tell that it's a transplant. The hairline looks so natural. Hair have been crafted so nicely and so artistically in the hairline that nobody can tell that this is a transplant. So a good transplant is always undetectable.
So good clinics will give you combing videos of a lot of patients where you can see actual hairline very closely. So these combing videos always ensure that really a good work has been done. So do consider these facts because hair are important for you and you are important for us. Thank you. Love yourself.